everyone, this is Anshika Gupta. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are really doing well and thank you so much for giving me all love and support to my channel. So guys, as you all know that in last video we learnt about how to make a flat sketch garment very easily in just few minutes. So guys, same as today we will learn about how to make a fashion figure, a proper fashion figure with some 3D dimensions, some figures, some pose, some accessories. So guys, let's start with our fashion figure. So what we need two pieces of paper. I am using A4 size white paper. We're gonna need a scale, a pencil, a eraser and any sort of connector pen or a sketch pen. So guys, here is A4 size paper. I divided this paper in 9 heads, means 9 equal portions, and I took equal portion of 1.2 inches. I number it from 1 to 9. Then I just gave the name of it for my easy proportions, like from head, bust, waist, hips, thighs, knees, calves, ankles and floor. So for a fashion figure, firstly we're gonna start from the head. So here is our head. Here is our head. Now below it our neck. So guys, from here our proper fashion figure starts. Here will be our shoulder line, but we don't have to make our shoulder line straight. What we will do is that we're gonna make it upside down, means you have to take your shoulder line 0.5 centimeter up from here, like somewhere here, and 0.5 down somewhere here, not much, 0.5, and then you're gonna make a line over it like this. Like this, and then you will come up to the waist. Same you have to do for the waist. You're gonna take it 0.5 down, and here is the waist line. You're gonna join it like this, and then we know that our shoulder are 1.5 inches. So we're gonna measure our shoulders 1.5 inches. It's up to here. And we all know that our waist is equal to our face. So we're gonna join them. Here is 1. Then 2. So guys, here we got our torso, that is the upper portion of a female figure. Then what we have to do is that our hips portion, we're gonna make hips here. Then for the legs, what we have to do, we're gonna point a mark between here and between here. We're gonna make a line up to the floor like this. So guys, we're gonna make our legs now, starting right from here. Knees, we're gonna make same procedure, make a circle like this, join it here, then join it from the crotch part here. Then for the ankles, we're gonna make another circle, and as per I told you, we're gonna give a slight curve over here, then here, here, then here, then below it, it will be our shoe. Now here is our first leg. For the second leg, what we have to do is that a hip, then we have to take 2 inches away a point, so that we can make a fashion pose. So here is 2 inches. We're gonna join it. We're gonna join it with here. We're gonna take a mark over here to join for making a proper proportions of a fashion leg. Then again for the knees, for the ankle, we're gonna join it. So here like this, we're gonna join like this. Again to the calves portion, we're gonna curve it little bit off, then join, then curve it, then join, then our shoe. So guys, here our legs are done. Now we will move to the arms. So guys, now we will make our arms. So for arms, first of all, making this right one, what we have to do is that same 1/3 from downwards, from the waistline 1/3 portion, we're gonna make a circle over here. Then we're gonna make a line, we're gonna join it like this and like this. Then to continue it, what we have to here, we have to make their hands. Now we're gonna join it like this, and you can use your scale, so it will be little curve from here, then like this. Here are your hands. Now we're gonna, for left one, what you have to do is that again you have to make a circle right between in the waist portion. We're gonna make a line to join it up to here. Here will be the hands. Now we're gonna join it slightly curve from here to here, then the curve here to here, and then we're gonna join it upside. Like this. So guys, here's your fashion croquis is ready. You can like portion it for the hairs also, for the bun. Here is your a basic fashion croquis is ready. Now what you have to do is that you have to use a sketch pen. I'm using this black sketch pen, and you're gonna outline it like this, starting from here, then hands, this side, shoulder, your neck, coming to the down, hips, then the legs, then our ankle, and then the floor, that is heels. We're gonna go with second leg, same as we're gonna join it with the scale. Slight, we're gonna bend our scale, not much, only slight. Then ankle, and then heels. Then we're gonna make our arms here, then here. After it, we're gonna join it from here to here. For the second arm, 1, 2, then we're gonna give a curve over here, here, then here. And now you can outline this face, ears, and you can give some hairs like this, a quite cool bun. So guys, here is our fashion croquis which is quite ready. Now what we have to do is that so guys, here is our basic fashion croquis. Now what we have to do is that we're gonna take another piece of paper, same A4 size paper. Now we are quite visible through it, and I am gonna making a basic fashion croquis on it. So guys, starting from the head, then the neck, then I am gonna making a very loose top over here. So starting from here, we're gonna first make our upper portion, then here I'm gonna join it, slightly bend like this. Now I'm gonna make it their sleeves, loose sleeves like this, like here and like here. Here will be our hand. Now I'm gonna make second sleeve right here. Here will be our hand. Now making a flared pant downside, I'm gonna using this scale. You can point it out also so that your fashion proportions got right. Here will be the knee, 1, then joining this to the crotch part, 2. Now again for here, 1 and then 2. Now for the downside portion, a flared jean, then the heels, you can add some details to it also, like a very cool v-neck, a cleavage. You can make a hairstyle over here. You can add any details to make your figure look quite good. You can just make it like this. You can also just mention some gathers on the sleeves, bust portion. You can add some earrings to it or some face shades. Now here is your fashion figure ready. You can give some shades to heels also. You can give some shades to this flare pant also. That's up to you, and you can make more fashion figures like it by just sliding your scale upside down by 0.5 centimeters. I may be showing you some figures in my next video. So guys, that's all for fashion figures. Thank you for watching. Hope you will like this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to press on thumbs up, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, and stay tuned for further videos. If you want to share your work, you can follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is in the description. Your all suggestions for next video, comments and questions you can drop right below. So guys, stay safe, stay at home, enjoy at home, help needy people. See you soon. Bye-bye.